Now let's begin with the warm up. Come on all fours. Come on all fours and stretch the right leg to the right side. Once you stretch the right leg to the right side, make sure your right foot is in line with the left knee. Wrist under your shoulders, toes pointing forward. We do cat and cow here. Inhale, arch the spine, lift the chest, look forward. Exhale, round the spine, chin to the chest. Keep your arms straight. Inhale, arch the spine. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, arch the spine. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, come back to neutral spine. Now we do thread the needle here. Inhale, lift the right arm up. Look at your right fingers. Exhale, take the right arm under the left. Inhale, lift the right arm up. Exhale, take the right arm under the left. You need not reach the floor, just twist. One more round. Inhale, lift the right arm up. Exhale, right arm under the left. Now place the right palm down. Take your toes back. Take your hips to your heel. Your right leg remains as it is. Stretch your arms forward. Inhale, slide forward, upward facing dog, a variation. Exhale, take your hips back on your heel. Go slow, it's just a warm up. Inhale, slide forward, lift the chest up. Exhale, hip to your heel. 3 more rounds. Breathe in, sink the hips. Breathe out, take the hip to your heel. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, back. One last round. Inhale, slide forward. Exhale, hip to your heel. Now come back to center, bend the right knee. Now we do all these movements on the left side. Stretch the left leg to the side, left foot in line with the right knee. Wrist under your shoulder. 3 rounds of cat and cow. Inhale, arch the spine, lift the chest up. Exhale, round the spine, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch the spine. Exhale, round the spine. One more round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back to neutral spine. Thread the needle. Inhale, stretch the left arm up. Look at your left fingers. Exhale, take the left arm under the right. Twist, bend the right elbow. Inhale, open the chest, look up. Exhale, twist, warming up the entire body. One more round. Inhale, look at your left fingers. Exhale, twist. Come back to center, place the palms down and take your palms slightly forward. Right toes pointing back. Inhale, sink the hips, lift the chest, slightly look up. Exhale, hip to your heel. Inhale, slide forward, upward facing dog variation. Exhale, hip to your heel. 3 more rounds. Inhale, slide forward, lift the chest up. Exhale, hip to your heel. Move with the breath. Inhale, upward facing dog, arms are straight. Exhale, press the hip to your heel. One last round. Inhale, slide forward. Exhale, go back. Inhale, come back to center. Bend the left knee. Lift the knees off the mat. Downward facing dog. Feet is hip width apart in down dog. Stretch the spine, lift the hips up. Inhale, lift the right leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, right foot in between your palms. Place the left knee down. Inhale, lift both your arms up. Exhale, take your left palm on the right knee, right arm back. You're just twisting here. The same side we'll do for 4 more rounds. Inhale, stretch both your arms up. Exhale, left palm outside the right knee, right arm back. Inhale, stretch your arms. Exhale, twist to the right. Keep the chest lifted. Breathe in, stretch your arms up. Breathe out, twist a little more. One last round. Inhale, stretch your arms. Exhale, twist. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, step back, downward facing dog. On the left, inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left foot in between your palms. Place the right knee down. Toes can be tucked in. Inhale, stretch your arms. Exhale, right palm outside the left knee, left arm back, twist. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist. Breathe in, stretch the arms. Breathe out, twist. 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stretch the spine in down dog. We'll do 1 more set of warm up and then move to Surya Namaskar. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, right foot in between your palms. Place the left knee down, toes pointing back. From here, stay on your fingertips. Inhale, Ardha Hanuman Asana. Pull the toes towards you, straighten the right leg. Exhale, sink the hips, lift the chin up. Working on your hip flexors. Inhale, Ardha Hanuman Asana. Exhale, sink the hips, loosening up the hip joint. Inhale, pull the right toes towards you. Exhale, lift the chest. Inhale, pull the toes. Exhale. 1 last round. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, sink the hips. Step back, downward facing dog. On the left, inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left foot in between your palms. Right knee down, toes pointing back. Inhale, take your hips back, straighten the left leg, pull the toes. Exhale, sink the hips, lift the chin. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, flow with the breath. Feel the hip joint. Inhale. Exhale, stretching your hamstrings. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. All this will improve your flexibility. 1 last round. Inhale. Exhale. Step back to downward facing dog. From down dog, step your right foot forward, left foot forward. Palms on your waist. Inhale, come all the way up.